अनिकेत ने हैंड रेस के लिए अभी नगर साहब raised hand. Children, please listen to the video carefully, and while listening, read also, okay?
Apostrophes can show possession. This is an important lesson. Apostrophe S for a singular noun. S apostrophe if more than one is found. Bike, spike, the bike belongs to Mike. The man's boat, he will make it float. The lady's cake, because she likes to bake. Renee's test, she always does her best. These are singular nouns. Apostrophe S may be found. Apostrophes can show possession. This is an important lesson. Apostrophe S for a singular noun. S apostrophe if more than one is found. The girls' room where slumber parties boom. The boys' hut where only men can strut. The dogs bark where they go to bark. The bees hive where the honey thrives. These are plural nouns. S apostrophe may be found. Apostrophes can show possession. This is an important lesson. Apostrophe S for a singular noun. S apostrophe if more than one is found.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Good morning, children. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher.
We are fine, teacher.
Yes, good. You all enjoyed the lesson, and after that you watch this video. So we are going to talk about this video. This is about today's topic. And will you tell me the name of today's topic?
Singular plural.
Apostrophe.
Yes, it is apostrophe. Apostrophe. Yes, apostrophe. Okay, so apostrophe that we are going to use, and you know why it is used. In the video, it was very, very clear. You can find time and watch this video again and again. And again, while listening, you can read the sight words. Okay, so below there are running lines. You can read it along with listening so that you can understand it well. Now, can you tell me one or two things about the video? What was video about? Like it was about
Singular.
apostrophe. So
Singular
if it is
noun.
singular, Where to use apostrophe?
Before S. Before S.
Yes, yes. Wait. If it is a singular noun, when we put an apostrophe mark, where do we put? Before or after noun? Tell. Before or
After noun.
after noun? Yes. And after noun, we put apostrophe mark and we add S. And if it is plural, okay, so we put apostrophe and S is already there. So where we put apostrophe, before or after? Before S or after S?
After
After
noun.
S. Yes, we are going to check all the things in very particular manner and in details. Okay, so are you ready to start our today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move
Yes,
further?
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Good. Can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Good.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Here on the screen, you can see today's topic's name as well as some of the apostrophe signs and some words are there. Can I have a reader for this? Okay. Isha, will you read all these nouns, all these words here? No,
Don't.
it is words. Okay.
Don't apostrophe person, shall, let's, positions,
Possession.
contractions.
Possession and contractions. Okay, good. And below, the last one is
Let's.
good. Okay. Now next. So this is our topic's name. Apostrophe is a sign and how to use, where to use, and what is the meaning of it that we are going
Teacher,
to check
an
today.
example is there. Don't
Yes, here
person,
are some
shall,
examples. This is don't. This is telling about persons. See, person, noun, and after that, and then S. Okay. Here it is no S, but here is apostrophe mark. You can see here it tells about why we use it. Okay. These are the purposes. Okay. Possession and contraction. And let's. We say that let's start, let's begin, let's go, let's sing. This is this. Let's. Okay. Next. Now this is today's topic and this is this sign. So this sign means an apostrophe mark. Okay. Isha, will you read this?
Yes, ma'am. The apostrophe has only a handful of uses, but these uses are very important.
Yes.
I misplaced
Misplaced.
A misplaced apostrophe can be annoying.
Annoying. Wait. Okay, good. Now what is an apostrophe? The apostrophe has only a handful of usage. So the mark you can see here in the right corner has only a handful. Only a handful means, see, this is our hand. Only a handful means very few. Okay. So small usage, or we can say very few usage, but these uses are very important. Even though it is small in numbers, it is less in numbers, it is more important. And why it is important? Because we use this apostrophe to show these all three things. But if you misplace, if you put it at
Teacher, you are on mute. Teacher, you are on mute. Teacher, you are on mute.
post muted, that is why. Okay. Now I will repeat. Okay. The apostrophe has only a handful means few. Okay. Few uses, but these uses are very, very important. And if you use this mark, but if it is in the wrong place, if you use it where it is not supposed to be used, it can be annoying. Now, annoying means what? It can put you in an awkward situation, troublesome situation, which is not good. So if you are using apostrophe and if it is wrongly placed, then your purpose of using will not be fulfilled and it will give you another meaning, and they you may feel embarrassed. So annoying means embarrassing feeling and awkward feeling. Take care. Okay. Now, Sanjeevni, read this.
Yes,
Sanjeev.
yes, the apostrophe is used to create positive, to
Possessives. Possessives.
possessive, to
Yes.
show contraction,
Hmm.
to create some plural forms.
Very good. So for these three purposes, mostly these two purposes are we can see regularly to create possessives. Possessives means belonging. When we want to show something that belongs to me, like this pen is mine. Okay, so it's my pen. So this is possessive, like belonging, or I owe the pen. Owes. Okay, so belonging, having something, that is possessive. To show contractions, so contractions means when we say that, see, my name is Nirmala, but if somebody asks me what is your nickname, so I may say Nima, Nimu, so it is shortened. So contractions means shortened name. See if it is this way, we contract. So compact, compress, that is called contractions. Okay. Now, and to create, what is last one? To create some plural. Yes.
Forms.
Yes. So it is very few we use this, but first and second purposes we use it more widely. Okay. Now move to next. Okay. Now, Prathamesh, will you read this? Prathamesh.
Main use of
Uses. Main uses
main uses of
apostrophe.
apostrophe
Apostrophe.
apostrophe
Yes.
to for a fun contraction
To form a contraction.
form a contraction don't can't
Can't.
want
Wouldn't.
wouldn't
Huh.
to show proposition
Read it again.
to
To
show
show possession. Possession.
possession.
I possess means I have.
John's car.
Hmm.
The boy's bike.
Yes.
The works
Workers.
the workers
Contract.
contract.
Okay. Now see main uses of apostrophes. Where we use, number one is to form a contraction. Contraction means a compact form. Okay. So which is contracted? Don't. See here, don't is a contracted form of do not. So where two words are bring together, we brought it together, and then some of the letters we drop. Okay. So that is called a contraction. So contraction don't, here it is a letter missing. Okay. So where a letter is missing, we put apostrophe. Can't, cannot. See, can and not. Two different words are brought together here. And then a letter, which letter is omitted here? Can you tell me which? O. So for O letter, here it is an apostrophe mark. Now next is wouldn't. Wouldn't means? Wouldn't means would not. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay. So here again, letter missing, and instead of that letter, we put this mark here. This is about contraction forms. Okay. Contractions means two different words we bring together and then some of the letter we have to draw. or missed or omit. Okay. Now, to show possession, possession means, see, I possess means I have. Like, see, I possess this Bluetooth. Okay, so this is a Bluetooth a speaker. So I have means I possess. Okay, this is possess means I have, I own. That is my own. Okay, like John's car means it is a car that is owned by John. Okay, so John is a person and he has a car. That is that. Okay, the boy's bike means whose bike is that?
Bike.
Whose bike
Boy.
is that?
Boy.
The boy.
Boy.
So the boy has a bike. Okay. Now, here John and boy, one person, singular one. Okay. Single one. Now the workers contract. Workers means, is it one or more than one?
There is apostrophe after S because
Okay.
there is
So,
many
so tell
people.
me, is it one or more than one we are talking
more
about?
than one. More
Very
than one.
nice. So it was
More
in the
than
video. Very nice. So see, John singular, boy singular, single person
Workers,
and workers plural. So when it is plural, put the mark at the end because S is
After
already
S.
there. Yes, it means yes, means all workers contract.
Word
Contract
join
means an
and join with that word.
yes, and contract means an agreement, whatever they have decided, and if whether it is written or orally said, and they are agreed to do something, that is called an agreement or a contract. Okay. Now move next. Okay. Divya,
Yes, ma'am.
will you read this? Yes.
Main use.
Main use. Mhm.
In a construction, two words are combined into a one shorter form.
Yes.
You plus R,
Hmm.
you are.
Yes.
Apostrophe almost always marks where a letter of letters have been taken out to form the word new.
Okay, how to form the new word. Very nice. Now see the main use of it, that is contraction. And you all know by the time that contraction means two words are combined into one shorter form. You can see these are two different words, you and are. So yes, so when you combine, when you bring it together, when you join it together, it becomes you are, here, you are here. So here we just pronounce it separately, you are. Here we pronounce it as a one word. Okay, here two different words, here it is a single word. So it is your, here. Okay, so here which letter is omitted? Which letter is omitted? Check here and tell
There
me.
is a A.
Yes. So A letter is omitted and it is called that the apostrophe almost always marks where a letter or letters. So it can be single letter or it can be two letters. Okay, two or more than.
Teacher, I have one example.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me.
You plus have you.
You have. Okay.
You.
So okay, you plus have. So what it becomes when it is contracted?
You.
Then apostrophe and then
Apostrophe between VE and U.
very nice. So how many letters we do omit? How
There
many
are
letters?
two letters missing.
Which are they? Which are they?
H-A.
Very nice. Very nice. And who was that?
Isha.
Very nice, Isha. Nice. Brilliant, beta. Brilliant. Good. Okay. So where the letters are omitted, stricken off, or it is taken off, so we put a contraction, means that is a mark.
Ma'am, I don't know.
To show contraction, that is apostrophe.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, that is
I
don't.
don't know.
I don't know. Yes, that is we are going to check next. See here. So, okay. Now can I have Sabuti, Sabuti, will you read this, beta?
Yes, teacher.
Please go ahead.
Think of a contraction has the
Result.
result of two words.
Hmm.
Having had no
Head on.
head on
Collision.
collision,
Let's
driving the
during the collision.
drooling the collision on one or more letters get lost.
Yes.
Look how the words do and not are joined the correct don't.
To create do. Now here you can see an accident. See where two cars are there. They are going to collide. Means they are going to see they are going to collide means they are going to crash into one upon. They are going to crash, and what happened after crashing, after having an accident?
Don't.
Both of the cars, the front part that gets damaged. Okay, their front parts get damaged. Now see here, one is having do, the another is having not. And when they are having head-on collision, म्हणजे आपण मराठी simple टक्कर म्हणतो. Okay, so they are going to have an accident. Like we have to form these two words together, and we have to form a new word. So what happens? Do and not. We bring it together. So here you can see do plus not. So here we are going to join do and not together.
Do not.
Create a new word. So here we are going to make a new word. So what is the new word? See, when the words collide, when they are collide means when the words are brought together, they O is ejected. Now see, there is O. See, do and not. Here is not a plus sign because these two are different words. Now they are brought together. Okay. So if this
Teacher,
is
there come apostrophe.
do not. Oh, so what is ejected means omitted. Okay. So ejected means omitted, dropped. So we drop O here. Okay. So when we mix or when we join these two words, do not, then this happens. See. Very simple. And where we omit the letter,
Teacher,
in that place
there come apostrophe.
yes. So the apostrophe goes to mark, to show, to sit here where the letter O has been. So where here was O earlier, now there is no O, but there is an apostrophe mark, you can see. Okay. So this is how it happens. So two words we bring together, then we want to become it one. Then some of the letters we have to omit, and where we omit, we put an apostrophe mark. Now, Vaibhav, will you read this? Common contraction. These are we all
Common
know.
contraction.
तुमचा आवाज हे होतोय.
माझा आवाज नाही येत.
Aren't, are not, or cannot, cannot.
Number 3.
Didn't.
It is didn't. It is didn't. Okay.
Didn't. Is. He is.
Good.
I'd.
It is I.
I'd.
Is
I. I.
Would. Read. I would. And I
Would.
had.
I has. It's. It is. Let us.
Okay.
She'll all. She all.
She'll.
will.
Here it is she'll. You read it correctly first.
She'll.
She will. Okay. Here.
She will. We have. Would we?
Would. L is silent. So don't
Would.
pronounce L.
Would have.
Would have. Okay. Here,
Yuri. Yuri.
your,
Yuri.
your. Say
You
your.
are Yuri.
You are. Okay. Now see, aren't, are not. Aren't, it is shortened. And it is shortened, it is contracted form. And this is a full form, that is are not. Okay, so these are the two words, are not, and one word, that is aren't. Okay, can't, cannot. Check apostrophe mark and check the letters omitted. Okay, now this is not didn't, didn't. Say didn't. Say
Didn't.
didn't. Yes, it is didn't and did not. Didn't indicates did not. Then his.
His.
Say his.
His.
So his stands for he is. When we say his boy. So his boy means he is a boy. Okay. Now this is I. Say I.
I.
Yes, I. Just I and D. I. It means I would. I would means it is maybe, possibly, or in future days. And I had. So here it is about future or possibility, or this is, and I had, that is about past. Had is always past. So this is what we use for two different tenses. Okay. So when it is there, add, we have to check whether it is past tense or whether we are talking about future, and for that we need to check the rest of the sentence. So what the rest part of the sentence says, so that is we have to define, we have to check, because we have to there check all the part of the speech, all the rest of the sentence, to check whether it is past tense or future tense. Okay, so two different tense we use same contraction. I. Now it's means it is. Say it's. Say it's. Shorten. It is. When I say it's raining or it's not raining today, means it is not raining today. It's raining today.
It's not
It
raining
is.
today.
So here it and is contracted. So it's. Now here we use it more often. Let's play. Let's begin. Let's start. Let's go. Let's do. Let's this and that. Okay. So let's means
Go.
very nice. So let us. It means let us, and that is always we use this when we are not alone, but we are with other people, our friends and other fellows. Okay. So this is what we use for plurals. Now next, she'll. Say she'll.
She'll.
She'll. And she'll stands for she will. So it is she will.
She'll
Now,
go to village.
how will you form this?
She
Yes,
will go to village. Short
she'll.
form is she'll go to village.
She'll go to village. See, in English it is
I did not talk. I didn't talk. I didn't talk.
I did not. You
I
see.
cannot buy this. I can't
so
buy this.
Very nice, very nice. Now see, here it is, we are talking
We
about.
are not going to picnic. We aren't not going to picnic.
Yes. So you are not going. Okay, you are not going. Okay, you are. So you are. And here it is, we have, short, we have, and we have. So here we pronounce separately. Here we pronounce it as a one word. So we have, shortened,
We have.
compacted. Okay. Now would have. It is again shortened.
You have.
Yes. Make it short. Would have. And that is would have. Okay. And this is.
Have.
Now, see, here it is something you should know. Means you should take care of the thing, that is the only contraction that doesn't follow this rule is Won't, which means will not. So it is not over here.
Teacher, I have last example. This is
Huh?
your. This is your.
Huh? This is?
This is your. You are. This is your.
This is your what? What? Say something. Take any object.
This is your bag.
Pen.
This is
Ah.
your bag.
Yes, this is your bag. But say, this is your bag. Are you going to use this? Are you going to use this last one? This last?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
are you going to use this? This is your bag when you are saying?
No,
No.
no, ma'am.
No, because
Teacher,
your
you are
is
so slow.
possessive pronoun. And what is your spelling? If I am saying that this is your bag, so how are you going to spell your?
Teacher, you are so
You're
slow.
going to village.
Ah, yes, now you are correct. Okay. But if you are saying this is your bag, that is Y-O-U-R, and that is itself a
Your-
possessive pronoun. Okay.
Your
So,
teacher, your
picnic.
ah, yes, very nice. So you are going to picnic, you can
Yeah.
use this
your
here.
are so slow.
Ma'am, we have our tiffin. We will our tiffin.
Will have. Yes, you can say will have. Okay. So here she will. So here we can put we can say will. Okay, shorten. So will have. Okay. Now here what is concern part is that the only contraction that doesn't follow or that doesn't fit into all about this rule, that is won't, means because won't means will not. And here what we omit some of the letters from the first. Okay, here we omit letters from the later word, the second word, but here we omit words from the first word. Okay, will, and hence will not or won't, that is exception to this rule. Exceptions, I told you yesterday, exceptions means some of the things like they don't follow the rules, so they are exceptions, they are other than this, they are separated from these things. Okay, now next. Okay, Isha, will you read this? Isha, am I not audible? Yes, Isha. Okay, Sanjeevani, read.
Man
Yes.
used to position.
Possession.
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 Possessions
Hmm.
are word used to
Possessive.
show.
Possessive.
Possessives are word used to show ownership, or belonging. Leave contraction. They are also formed. They are also formed with apostrophe.
Formed.
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
Example. Professor workers
Walker.
laptop.
Professor Walker's laptop. Read again. Professor Walker.
Laptop.
Yes. Means.
Laptop belongs to Professor Worker. Professor
Walker.
Worker. Professor Worker
Owns the laptop. Now see here. See, English is a different language. In our language, in Marathi, we pronounce all the letters. Okay. But in English, when we speak, we omit some words. We omit many part. Like, so here contraction, that is also omitting. Again, we omit some letters, that is called silent. So silent letters means, yesterday we talked about that. We don't pronounce the letter. Okay, now see here. See, main use second, or the second use of apostrophe, that is possession. Possessions means the feeling of having something, owning something, belonging something, means to own, to possess, to have, belong to. That is possession. See, possessives are words used to show ownership. Ownership. This, see, we say that this is my compost box. So the compost box, that owns to you. It is yours. You own it because you have bought it. Okay, so that is all yours. That is not your friend. That is yours. So it is your belonging, your own thing. That is possessive. Possessive means you have something that is your own. Okay, so like contractions there. Here they are, but as contraction, this apostrophe is there, we say there. There. Also formed with the apostrophe. So what are they? How we show possession means like we say that Mike's bike. So bike that is owned by Mike. Now here an example that is Professor Walker. So which letter is silent here? Which letter is silent here when we say Walker? Walker.
L.
L. L is not supposed to pronounce. So L is a silent letter. So we say Professor Walker. Professor Walker's laptop. See, Professor Walker's laptop means when we use this apostrophe here and we show something that Walker's and laptop. So here we indicate by showing this that that laptop is owned by Professor Walker. It means the laptop is there, that is a Professor Walker. The laptop belongs to Professor Walker or Professor Walker owns the laptop. Got it? Now, okay. Prathamesh, read this. Prathamesh, are you there? Divya, read this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Notice that the apostrophe in possessive words does not stand for the omitted letter, like it does is
Teacher voice is breaking.
Okay. Her voice is breaking. So who will read it? Sabuti, will you read this?
Yes, teacher.
Please go ahead. Sorry, Divya, your voice was breaking. Yes.
Not that the
Notice
notice that the
apostrophe
apostrophes in process words does not stand
for an omitted letter like it does in contraction. See. Okay, good. Thank you. Now see here what to notice. Notice means observe, to check, to see. Now what to notice, what to see or what to observe here. Here you have two examples. Okay. So these two examples on the screen. Now see when we talk about possessive. Okay. When we use apostrophe for possessive or showing possessive, we don't do like this. See what we do here. Contraction, don't missing O. So when we use here apostrophe, we bring two different words together and we eject some letters. So that is here. Okay, we miss some letters, we drop, we eject some letters here. So here O is missing, O is omitted. Okay, but here what happens when we use apostrophe here, we use it after noun. Okay, if it is singular noun, we put after noun and then add S, like dog's tail. Dog is single one. Okay, so it is singular noun, dog. And when we are talking about that dog's tail particularly, we use apostrophe after G, means after dog, that noun, and we put S. Okay. Now dog's tail, no missing letter. The tail belongs to the dog. Or the cat's tail, or the monkey's tail, or something we that's like Sheila's bike, Sheila's cycle. So one person, we just put apostrophe.
Seema's book.
Yes.
Seema's book.
Yes.
book.
What is
Seema's book.
Seema's book? Very nice. So where you put apostrophe? Where you have to put apostrophe, ma?
After noun Seema.
Very good. And what else you have to add?
S.
Very nice. Good. So are we missing any letter here? Are we omitting or dropping any letter here?
No.
Yes, very good. But we add something more. Nice. Now this. Who will read this? Shreyas?
Teacher can.
Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyas, please go ahead. Read this.
Two rules for adding a apostrophe to from a
Yes.
possessive. First, if a word ends in s already, add only the apostrophe.
Yes. Good. So here is an example. Okay, read Shreyas' example. Read it.
The students' backpacks were stolen from the classroom during the break.
Yes, good. So when we talk about some nouns where already there is S and why it is S there, what it indicates, what
There is
it,
very students, not one person.
very nice, very brilliant. So when we see S here in students, it means we are not talking about one student, but there are many students. Okay, so students, yesterday we checked it. Okay, so this is a plural form. So here already S is there. So we just need to put this mark. Okay, so
I have many chips package.
uh, see, here what we are talking about, check. Rules for adding an apostrophe to form a possessive. We are talking about possessive. Possessive means,
Ma'am, you are on mute.
okay. So we are talking about possession. Possession means having, belonging, or owning something. So when we own, that is my own, that is belongs to me, that is like, see, something that is mine. Okay, that is mine. Okay. So here we
Ma'am,
are talking about
the
students.
people's back to home at night.
Wait. See, first understand this and then give me example, because see, we are talking about the student's backpack. Backpack means the sack you take on your back. Okay, so that is called a backpack. Now, the student's backpack means it is not
In classroom 26 benches.
okay. So if you have 26 students in your class, then all the students' backpacks were stolen. Stolen means somebody took it away. Okay, something was like any thief was there, or any student can be also there, or anything can be, but they were stealing, they were taking it away. So so they were stolen. So it is not single student, but many student backpacks were stolen. So whose were the backpacks? The backpacks were of those students. Okay, so the backpacks, they were belong to these students. Okay, so if you are talking about chip, that is your own packet. So here we are talking about not a single person. When you say that you are alone, you are single. Okay, and when we say something about more, so that is students' backpacks were stolen from the classroom during the break. During the break means recess time. Okay, so when your school is not over, but you have break, you have recess time for your breakfast.
Middle break.
Now see, if the word does not end in S, now this is for S rule, S is already there, just put an apostrophe, but that's finished. And if S is not there, then you have to add SC. Does not end means S is not there, then you have to add apostrophe and then S. Okay. Again, you watch the video that was played in the beginning of the lesson, and you will understand all these things. See, here S is first and then apostrophe mark. Here apostrophe mark is first and then S. So you will come to know all the things very clear, and here too. Now see, the instructors parking permit was stolen. Now, the instructors, here, are we talking about one or many? Can you tell me?
One
Yes.
person.
So when we talk about the single person, then there is no S because S indicate plural. Okay. So the instructors means this one fellow's parking permit was stolen. So when there is singular noun, put apostrophe, add S, and then your job is done. Okay. Now next. Right is now. Okay. Now who will read this? Vaibhav, will you read this? Vaibhav?
read.
Vaibhav is there or not?
So can I read?
Okay. Yes, please.
Three others
Huh?
Other uses for the apostrophe. First,
Hmm.
used to
Indicate.
indicate
Indicate.
indicate
Indicate means show.
numbers
Hmm?
indicate numbers that have been omitted.
Yes.
1995 apostrophe 95.
Then second.
Used to show missing letter in slang or informal speech. Going
Okay. Going. Going.
can be used to from the plural of some numbers or letters to prevent
Huh?
mis-
Prevent. Prevent
misreading.
misleading. Prevent means to stop you. Okay. Huh. And last is
As
is a
is
O's.
plural of 0,
Hmm.
195, 1915s, no apostrophe.
Okay, so these are some other rules. Now see, other uses for the apostrophe. Now number one is used to indicate numbers that have been omitted. Now, how we read this 1995. And what is the year now? What is the current year? How we read it?
1995.
Current year, current year. The year we are in now.
95.
95.
95.
95.
Now, if we have to write today's date, how will you write it?
We will write
2000.
24.
2000.
1000?
2021.
Yes. So
Or
we
only
can say
21.
2021 or we can say 2021. Okay. The same way, when we have to say this, we say 1995. Now 19 and 95. So it is a like 100 years. Okay. So it is 100 years means a century. 100 years. And then when it is 1995. 96, 97, 98, 99. And after 1999, what we have to say? If it is 1999 and the next year, what will you say? Tell me. See here 1995, then 96, 97, 98, 99. And then after 1999, what?
5 years
next
complete
year?
for 1995.
Hello, what my question is? My question is that when
2000.
we
2000.
2000, yes. So 2000, so that is different 2000. So for 2000, for the next century, we have to wait for 100 years. Okay. So when this 19 starts, it begins with 1901. So 1901 means 1901, 1902, 1920, 1930, 1940, 1995. So all the 100 years we are using 19 at the beginning. So we can omit and we can say just 95. See, okay? So for 100 years we are going to use this 19. So when we are in the end, we don't actually live up to 100 years. Okay? So when we are living our life and we are having just one, now we are having two because our birth was in 19 and we are in 20s now. Means century is 21st. Okay, but we say that 2021. Okay, so when we are saying we just use 21. है ना आपण केव्हा केव्हा लिहिताना फक्त 21 लिहितो की नाही when you write date you can just write that what is today's date 24/7/21 that's it. And so what we omit here 20 and here we omit 19. Okay, so when we are going to talk about particular year but the earlier 19 figure is the same, we can omit this and we omit whatever we have omitted, we use this apostrophe to show that. Okay, now used to show missing letters in slang. Slang means the language that is informal, that we don't use when we are talking officially or formally. Formally means like we are there in the conversation with our officers, our respected, our elders, or something like in family functions, we don't use the language. But when we are in our friend circle, very close friend, we use that language. Or the language when we write something, okay, we message using telephone. So for take care, what we write? For take care, what do you write? When you have to send a message in
Take
your
care.
take care. So for take care, what do you write? Like TC. Okay. Good night, what do you write?
GN.
Yes.
Good morning, GM.
GN. Okay. Can you tell me another? Can you tell me another
Ma'am,
word here?
Good night.
Short form of video VDO.
Yes. So that is not a short form, but that is called a
Television.
slang language.
Television.
Yes. So that is called that.
Ma'am, thank yous. TY.
Yes. So that is not a shortened form, but that
Thank
is
you.
called.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay, yes, got it. So you got it, that is called a slang. See, here, slang, okay? So slang language means, if you have to, see, if you have to write a letter in your question paper, hello,
12.
if you have to write a letter in your question paper, hello, if you have to write a letter in your question paper, are you going to write like this? Video, VDO, or take care TC? Will you
No,
write?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
We got
because
zero
that is,
mark.
yes. Because that is called slang language. That is called slang language. Okay, so we don't. Okay, so
Ma'am,
we
anyone's mic
say
is unmuted.
going. Hello, bus. Now no noise. So informal, this is formal. Going means formal simply. You can understand that formal language means the language we use for the communication, but while writing and respected or officially, we use this. When we are talking or we are like in our friend circle, close one, we use this going, that is informal language. This language we don't write in paper, don't write in letter. So this is just for speaking and this is for writing. So this is very clear. This we use in writing, this we don't use in writing. This is formal, this is informal. This is formal language and this is slang language. Okay. Now next, can be used to form the plural of some numbers or letters to prevent misreading. Means we use apostrophe to show you particular thing or to stop you not to read it wrongly, to prevent you, to stop you means not allowing, to prevent means not allowing, don't allow, what they don't allow, misreading, because sometimes if you read it without reading the apostrophe, you can have a wrong meaning. Okay, so here some of the examples again we will check next. Okay, A's. A's means how many A's? How many letter A's are there? Then O's, zeros. Zeros we use it at the end. And 1950s means particularly we are talking about the era 1950, about that year. Now this rule 3. It indicates the plurals of words and letters. How many F? See, this we talked in the last slide, that is the same. A's. Okay, so how many F's are in a giraffe? So when the question is asked, how many F's are in giraffe? Okay, giraffe is a noun. Now you tell me, the question is that, how many F's are in giraffe? Tell me, how many F's? How many F's are there?
There is a one.
Two. Yes, two. See, two.
Yes, ma'am.
Giraffe. Okay. How many E's are in letters? But tell me, how many E's are there in letters? See, I am talking about this.
Ma'am, there is a one.
One.
Two. How many E's are there? See, in letters what? L-E?
Ma'am, E or is. E or
Is. See.
your is.
Is, yes. How many E's? Means here we will write E, put apostrophe and S. Means how many letter F's and how many, if I ask about this, how many letter E's? So how will you say? How many E's? How many E apostrophe S? Okay, good. Now here, if we talk about this, how many I's? How many I's? How many I apostrophe S? How many I's?
Two.
Yes, very nice. Good. Now, yes, very good. Now, what are the do's and don'ts? See, here again, plural. Okay? Plural. What are the do's and don'ts? See, when there is an instruction list. Okay? Instructions list is there. And on the left part, do's and don'ts. So, do's means the things you can do or you have to do. You have to follow. And don'ts are the things you are restricted from. You are not permitted. You are not allowed. That is don't. Like when you are in online classes. So what are the do's? Can you tell me some of the do's? When you are sitting here on the in the online classes, what are the do's? What are the things you are allowed to do, permitted to do, not restricted? You can do. What are the things as you are doing? See? What are the do's?
Fight.
Huh? What are the do's means what you have to do?
Work.
You have to listen carefully. Okay, one thing. Okay? You have to listen carefully. Now tell me another thing. What are the do's?
Do is.
See, we are.
Dodge.
Hello. What are the Wait. What are the do's and don'ts? Means what are the do's? Means what are the things you are allowed to do? Means one, you have to sit silently, or you have to listen carefully, or you have to mute and unmute whenever it is
Ma'am,
necessary.
does.
Okay. Now what are don'ts? Don't keep your mic
Don't
on.
means do not.
Yes. So what do not means what are the things you don't have to do? Don't keep on your mic
म्हणजे
always.
teacher जसं
Okay.
की don't आणि does.
No, not does. See. Hello, what are the do's and don'ts? म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? That is what are the do's. And what are the don'ts? म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करायचं नाही? कळलं का? See, when you are here in online class, there are some rules you have to follow, and so rules you have to follow. So rules are always divided in two categories. So what you have
Ma'am, do yes.
what you have to don't. Okay. So you have to follow. Now tell me.
Do yes.
Are Baba, hello. What are the do's and don'ts? म्हणजे what are the do's म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करायचं त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्याच्यामध्ये येतात. जसं ऑनलाईन क्लास मध्ये तुम्ही काय करायचं शांत बसायचं पहिली गोष्ट. सो दॅट इज द डूज. ओके.
रूल म्हणजे रूल.
रूल्स रूल्सच आहेत. मग रूल्स मध्ये तुम्ही काय करायचं ते डूज मध्ये येणार. काय नाही करायचं ते डोंट्स मध्ये येणार. So don't keep your mic on always.
You don't do this.
ज्याच्यामध्ये not येतं
You
ते
don't
नको.
unmute all.
You does homework. You
You
does.
do your homework regularly. That is do's. Okay. And don't.
Teacher, you don't do this or don't mute all.
Yes. You don't unmute.
You don't screen share. You don't screen
Or
share.
you don't unmute yourself unnecessarily. But
You don't screen share.
same part if you
You
are
don't on your camera.
now you got it. Karna? So listen carefully. The things you have to do that will fall in do's category. The things you don't have to do, you are restricted. You are not allowed to that will fall in the don'ts category. So these are two categories we are talking about. So do's means the things we have to do. Don'ts mean the things you don't have to do at all. Now, there are no ifs and s or buts means if I tell you something to do, if any assignment is given by me, then I say no ifs, ands or buts. म्हणजे काही कारणं नाही सांगायची. काय म्हणायचं नाही if I get time. No if, no excuses at all. So no ifs, ands म्हणजे तुम्ही म्हणता ना की मी असं केलं असतं पण मला हे करायचं होतं आणि ते पण करायचं होतं. So these all indicate that you are barred. You are barred means you are not permitted. You are not allowed to do these things. Means you will not give any excuses, and that is indicated by this. There are no ifs, ands or buts. Okay. Got it? म्हणजे मी तुम्हाला काही सांगितलं, प्रोजेक्ट सांगितलं, मी म्हणजे in the sense if your teacher is asking you to do something, any project, and then she will say that no ifs, ands or buts means nothing, no excuses can be heard. तुम्ही मला काहीच नाही सांगायचं. That is this. Okay. Now next. Last, we are now at the conclusion. The rule of 8 and 8. Okay, 8 and 8. The pronunciation is same. No differentiation here. The rule of 8 and 8. Now see, many people commit this mistake. Many people commit the same mistake, a common mistake. That is called a common. Common means commonly done or commonly committed. Means many people do the same mistake, and the mistake is it stands for it is. See, it stands for it is. So here it is a verb. Okay, is verb. Or it has. Again, it is a verb. It means like I said that in the morning, it's raining. Now it's a sunny day. When I say it's a sunny day, so can you tell me the sentence here? Split this. It's split. It's. बघा त्याला break करा it's ला. If I say that it's a sunny day, so how my sentence will be there? If you remove this apostrophe, it's a sunny day. Sanga? Hello.
Your pen.
It's sunny day.
It is a sunny day. Remove apostrophe. See?
It is a sunny day.
Very good. It is a sunny day. Yes.
It is sunny day.
Yes. Okay.
It
Sunny
has
If
day.
I
a
see-
big bag.
Okay. So
It is your apple.
Sunday.
It is your apple.
just wait. It is your apple. Okay. It is yours. Okay. Now check this. And if it does not stand for it is or it has, then the correct usage is its. Now see here. Now I will give you this example. Okay. So this is a dog, and the dog's name is Rana. Okay. The dog's name is Rana. Now a dog has something that is a ball. Okay. So where we used to feed it. Okay. So I say it's Rana's ball. Okay, you got it. See, there is a dog named Rana, and we always give him food, and that is in a container that is called bowl. एका bowl मध्ये त्याला खायला देतो. And when I have to say something about this bowl, I say it's Rana's bowl. It's Rana's bowl. Okay. So here I use this it's. Okay. It's okay. It's bowl. First I say it's Rana's bowl. It is Rana's bowl. And if I say, see, it's dog, it's bowl. पहिल्यांदा it's, it is Rana's bowl. It's Ranaचं आता उमेट केलं, राणा काढलं. It's bowl. मग पहिल्यांदा it's आहे, first it is. It's इकडे it's कोण आहे हा? Who this is? Dog. कळलं? हा. It's Rana's ball. आता राणा omit केला, मी नाउन काढलं, नाउनच्या ऐवजी pronoun घेतलं. So this is pronoun, possessive pronoun. Okay? It's ball. So it is. Its means Rana means that dog's ball. Okay? So here its means it is. Here its means it is his belongings. Okay? So here its possession, belonging. This its means possession or belonging. This its means possession, belonging. Like its bark. If I am talking about a tree, that is banyan tree, and if I am talking about the banyan tree's bark, then I say its bark. First I will say this is a banyan tree and its bark. Its bark म्हणजे त्याची फांद्या, branches. Okay. So its, this is RTS. Okay. It's त्याचे. So this is all about today's apostrophe. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम. मी तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ पाठवून देतो, त्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये पण पुन्हा एकदा बघा. ओके.